And what better car to do car controlling than a Caterham? This thing is just awesome, and it's time to burn through some rubber. I promise you, all these cones do make some kind of sense, I think. As Sam very kindly demonstrates his skills. Like I said, I have never done a donut in my life, so this is just me attempting it without any instruction from Sam just yet. And then he's going to show me how it's meant to be done. Donuts, it was time to put two half donuts together and make a figure of eight. Again, something completely different, and getting my head around going anti-clockwise was really difficult, but we were getting there and slowly making progress. So I have successfully done my first donut on my first figure of eight. I was never one of those teenagers that went to Tesco's car park and just sat doing donuts, so actually having a go was so much fun. But now we've got to tackle the course, which is look. And that is just wow, that is so awesome. It really understands like the dynamics of a car and how to sort of feed the throttle, the input, everything like that is incredible. I'm loving it. So having a bit of a rest, trusty Luke say, and then we're off out again. I love this. This is so much fun. And here's Sam doing it with a bit of flair. And now it's time for cone collecting duty. So we finally burnt through a set of rear tyres, but how did we do?
I'm on the way. Taking my job away.
Maybe one day, but that was so much fun. A huge step forward as well for taking it to the track, so the car's ever getting out of control. I now know how to control it and also do a few donuts in the way.
Let's show them your tyres.
And can we please appreciate all these tyre marks? I'm pretty impressed. So back in the nice warm Passat, I still think I've got tyre dust absolutely everywhere on my face, but what an experience that was. Like I said, I've never done a donut before, so even that was a massive step forward, and being able to complete the course fully was just absolutely incredible. And my confidence got a lot higher with it as well. I trusted myself and trusted the technique and just really picked it up quite well, so I'm really happy. If you can't tell, still taking it in. But yeah, it just means as well, when we're going to go on track, if anything was to happen, I now understand the whole limits of car control more, especially in something like rear wheel drive like the Caterham, and it's just having that concept in the open space to be able to push the limits, test them and spin without any consequences. So it's a huge step forward. But yeah, you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.